Hey guys, those 10-pin adapter boards that I ordered from JLC PCB arrived. That is less than a week, and that is pretty amazing. So let's see what we got. I'm more interested in the goodies. They usually give you. Oh no, there's no goodies. Just styrofoam. That is a lot of tiny little boards. Hey, they look nice. I had them skillfully mask or whatever it's called, silk screen this GM camera harness on there. Thing is, it's gonna be completely covered by the connector. What's on the back look like? Let's cut her open. So the board layout is not exactly what I wanted. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit. Oh wow, it's a little glare. It's a little bit silly on the side here. You can see that this wire goes out around that post. There's no reason for it to be going out around that post. And let's see here. That looks okay. The thicker wire is either power or ground. I still have not figured out how to lay down a copper fill on Easy EDA, so that's why it doesn't have one. Okay, well, that was all. I guess I'm gonna go. I got like too many things to do, so I'd call this exciting news. Comma is now interested in getting the vision on they want OP longitudinal for as many cars as possible, which means these cars that have camera based vision only or camera based ACC, like the Silverado and the new Bolts and the Bolt EUV and etc. Having the ability to disable the camera, block the ACC messages from the camera, and let openpilot handle longitudinal. It's a bigger priority now, probably because of end to end. End to end's not even going to be a possibility if openpilot isn't controlling the gas and the brakes. So that's it, most likely it's going to be a toggle, and the toggle will probably be hidden. But for me, that's great because in the OPGM port or fork rather, I will only need to have or I'll have to just comment out a couple lines to get the functionality that I thought I was going to have to add code. So the code will already be in stock, upstreamed, maintained by paid professionals. That's great news. All right, I think that's all I've got for now. So thanks for watching.